The Agent Elite Design Studio makes it super easy to generate high-quality social media posts for the holidays. If you're like me, you want to send out high-quality greetings for all of the major holidays, but sometimes you get busy. So what I do is generate all of my holiday social media posts at the beginning of the year. So I do that by going into the Design Studio, and on the left-hand side I select Real Estate Templates, and then I scroll down to Social Media Posts. As you start going through the social media post templates, you'll see that there's several already created for major holidays. Now I'm going to start with this Independence Day design, so I'm going to click Create Design. And as soon as I've done that, that design is going to automatically be modified and completed exactly the way I want it. And it's actually ready to go to print. It's got my colors, it's got my logo, and it's ready to go. All I need to do is download this, and then it's going to be ready for me to use in social media. Now I know you saw how easy that was, but let's do it one more time. So let's go back into the social media posts, but this time let's do a Valentine's Day post. So again, super simple. All you have to do is click on the design and it's going to do almost all of the work for you. You just need to make sure that once it opens up that your logos look good and that there's no information here that you don't want to convey to your customers. And again, this one looks really good, so I'm just going to download it. Okay, now that that's downloaded, if you use a social media marketing manager, you can actually schedule these weeks and even months in advance. Okay, let's get out of this and let's go find another one. Okay, Halloween may be my favorite time of year, so let's go with this. This time we're going to modify the design. So I'm going to change the background photos. So to do that, I'm going to double click on the photo, and then I'm going to go select the Halloween photo I've selected from my uploads. And I'm just going to drag that photo until it's where I want it to be and it looks good to me. And I want to change the color of my text because I think it will look better. And I'm going to use the hexadecimal code of my business color because it's orange. And when I enter that, that's automatically going to change the color. And now I'm just going to drag these down and center them up. And that purple line that shows up there means that they're centered. And bam, just like that. My Halloween design is done and customized. Super easy, and I'm going to download that too. Now it's just a matter of uploading it into your social media marketing manager, and you can do this for all of the holidays. Alright, now the templates have designs for a lot of the major holidays, but not all of them. So if you want to make one for a holiday that doesn't exist, let me show you how. There's not a design for Memorial Day, so what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to grab the Veterans Day design and modify it. So let me load that up. Okay, first thing I want to do here is change the background, so I'm going to double click on that, and then I'm going to select a photo that I think will work for Memorial Day. Okay, that looks good. Let me just recenter that photo. Okay, now I need to change the text. So I click on the text, I go to the top of the page, and I change the font size. Alright, now I want to change the words as well. So I double click on the words, select all, and then I type in what I want it to read. To increase visibility, I'm going to make that bold and black. Alright, let's change Veterans Day to Memorial Day. And let's adjust the placement a little. Okay, I like that. And let's go ahead and make that text black as well. Alright, and just like that, we've got another design ready to save and download. As you can see, the Design Studio makes it really easy to get on top of your holiday social media, but keep in mind your social media should be coming all year long, so be spontaneous with it as well. Alright, so you're looking at the examples that we just created. I think we can agree they look great, but if you struggle at any time while you're using the Design Studio, feel free to go to our knowledge base. It's help.agentelite.com. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.